I recently got a membership at a car wash, and what that entails is one flat rate for the month for an unlimited amount of car washes. Basically, you drive up, they soap the outside, they brush it, and you proceed through the automatic car washing system. And someone on the other side will be waiting to towel dry your vehicle and lotion your tires. And voila, a car that sparkles and turns heads. It's a great service for people who are busy and those who are on the go. The problem is they never touch the inside of the vehicle. It's because dealing with what's inside of the vehicle is inconvenient for us and them. And so the inside of our cars can go overlooked for months and even years at a time, because it takes effort to slow down and deal with the inconvenient. You have to get out of the driver's seat to actually deal with the dust, the debris, and the old donuts in the back seat. And such is life. We've learned to present ourselves in such a way that's not always the reality, and it doesn't reflect what's actually going on internally. Only you know the brokenness that you're busing from place to place. Only you know the trauma you're transporting from here to there. Why? Because you don't want to slow down and deal with reality. So hear me now and hear me well. You must designate time to deal with the inside. Don't just whitewash the exterior walls of the tomb, but deal with the deadness that's residing within. Because when you continue to choose not to, other people have to bear the brunt of that decision. Have you ever neglected to clean the inside of your car, but you cleaned the outside up, only for a few hours later to get a call unexpectedly from someone needing a ride? And the first thing you start doing is making excuses for the crumbs. You knew you had crumbs. You knew you had McDonald's fries under the seat. You knew you had tissue coming out the door handles. You knew you had spilled coffee in your cup holder. There are some things you never got around to dealing with because you thought you could keep it hidden in perpetuity. Spend some time before the one who created us. Sometimes sitting quiet and meditating on God and what He said is just the right remedy for our brokenness. It's actually what we need to begin to heal and to repair and to be revived. But not only that, you need to find people to do life with who won't just congratulate you because you're shiny, who won't just respect you because you present well, who's not enamored with your abilities and your giftings. People who have the ability to champion you because of the work you've done on the outside and challenge you to continue working on the inside.